Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Adobe PS tutorial. Today I'm gonna make a dark cyan blue leaf color grading with camera raw in Photoshop. So let's get started the tutorial. Firstly, open Photoshop and import your image. I already opened and imported. Go to the image mode and convert into the lab color. Now go to the layer and duplicate this layer. Duplicate. Okay, go to the channel, Control A, select a channel. You can select from here, select Control A and go to the edit, Control C, copy this channel and go to the B channel, go to edit and Control V. Hey image, now we will add some color on this layer. Firstly, go to the layer and again go to the image and convert again into the RGB color. Do not flatten. Now we will tweak some CC on this layer. Firstly, you have to make this smart object. Convert to the smart object. Go to the filter, camera raw filter, and we will tweak some settings like we have to minus temperature -6 and decrease the exposure -40 and contrast like 37 contrast 36 and decrease the highlight -60 and increase the shadow 26 25 is enough and decrease the white part, white -59 and decrease also black -25. Okay, cool. Now go to the clarity +60 plus 16 plus 16 and increase a little bit vibrance like 7 and decrease the saturation 20 something like, and go to the curve. You have to make 2 points here and here and you have to up this point like 2 input. We will type 2 input and 41 output. Go to the second point, input 67 and output 65 and go to the third point, input should be 181 and output like 188. Yeah, cool. And go to the sharpening and increase the luminance value like +12 and go to the HSL adjustment like hue saturation and you have to decrease the aqua color like -51 and go to saturation. You have to increase the aqua like 40 plus 40 and increase blue color also +15. Go to luminance. Luminance should be blue -14 15 something around. Now go to the effect effect and decrease the amount value like 35 minus, and adjustment should midpoint should be little bit increase like 60 around, and roundness minus 33, and feather 50 and highlight 0 is cool. Now go click on OK. Now we will take a brush and take a black color, and go to the smart object mask, and opacity should be minus 90 and minus 25, something around. Zoom in your image. Little bit. Select black color and now increase the visibility on face. It will increase the flow, and one more time. Okay, cool. Now we will go to the adjustment layer like curves, and we will make a 1 point. First one little bit up like 40, and second one little bit down like 58, 63 and 58. Yeah, 57 is good. The curve is done. Now we will take another adjustment layer like selective color, and we will tweak some value like minus, plus, not plus, +1, and magenta should be increased +8, +9, something around, and yellow should be 0, and black must be increased like +5. Cool. Now we will create some rim light, like go to take a new layer, go to the color and pick the color of hair, and draw some shape on top. Brush, opacity should be 50 something. Zoom it your image. Control plus and control minus, zoom in and zoom out. Yeah, this is cool. Now we will decrease the opacity of this light, like we will decrease 50%. Yeah, 40. 40 is good. Now we will go to the another adjustment layer. We will take another adjustment layer like color lookup, and light opacity should be more, like 60, around 60, and we can change the blending mode, overlay, and increase the light. Cool. Okay, I will go to the color lookup setting, go to the 3D light, and we'll take a drop blues, color lookup, drop blues, and we will decrease the opacity of this color, 40 something around, decrease, 50 is good. Now we will create some sunlight. Take a new layer from here, and take a brush, take a white color, should be a little bit yellowish. Okay, increase the opacity and increase the flow and increase the size of brush, and click and Control T, increase the value of brush, like this is looking much better than before. You can scale like this, is much better. So this is our output, like final output, and I think it's looking cool, and I am done. So this is done for me, and I will see you in the next one. So take care.